Hey, what's up guys? So on this one we're going to try to buy some DogeCoin. As you can see right here, we are on Binance. So you have to just, if you don't have Binance, you have to just go on to my description below in this video. You just go and get downloading your Binance, and it's free, and then you log in, and then you will get some fees that are going to be a little bit dropped because you use my link on it. So on this one guys, I want to teach myself how I can buy some DogeCoin. So you have to bear with me on here because I'm just a student of the game. I am no financial advisor or anything like that. I like cryptocurrency, so I am teaching myself on how to do all of this stuff, and I'm actually taking you guys with me so that you can learn something if you want to, or you can just watch just to familiarize yourself with all the cryptocurrencies. We have been having some dips now onto Binance at this time, but at some point it's going to get picked up because I really like cryptocurrency. So this one, it's going to lead you on this next page here. So find your account with fiat currency. So you have to learn all of this stuff and then get onto that, right? So okay, let's see what you're going to do. So you're going to come here and then you choose your currency, and then once you choose your currency, but I don't want to bore you with this stuff now because I just want to make this video a little bit shorter so that I can just buy some crypto. But because as for now, I'm sure you know how to deposit some money onto your crypto or onto your Binance account. If you don't know, you just have to watch my other video, which I'm going to leave a link down onto this video, so you can just see. I'm sure you already have using another wallet there, so another exchange which you are already familiar with. You usually deposit and withdraw regularly, so you can just transfer that. It's very easy and it's very cheap when you actually transfer your Ripple onto it. So what are we going to do now? We're going to try and buy. So we're going to try and buy this DogeCoin. So what we're gonna go, we go on to our wallets here, go on to fiat and right here. All right, so we see here we're gonna come straight on to convert. Alright. So it actually wants me to actually buy some USDT. Okay, let's see here. XRP. Okay, so we have some XRP here, and then we'll see. We're just gonna say max. All right. Then we'll see how much we're going to exchange it here. So it just defaults onto BTC. Let's see how much we can see here. Let's go look for DogeCoin. Okay, for DogeCoin, it looks like you have to do some USDT first, right? Because it doesn't show here. Let's see if I see Doge. So yeah, from an XRP you can't just convert it onto Doge. So looks like we're gonna have to do some USDT first. Okay, let's see. All right, so the price long. Okay, price is that one. XRP is equal to that. Okay, you will receive this. So this is what I'm going to get, right? Yeah, so now I have my USDT, right? So I converted this XRP with this price. So one XRP is equal to 0.900 USDT inverse price. So USDT is equal to this XRP. So I have to go check my status. Okay, so there it is, paired XRP to USDT, and there it is right there. All right, so go into our USBC spot. Okay guys, so this is what's happened now. USDT, there it is. This is what's available. I have about 70.5 USDT, which is about $70. Right, so we're still going to buy our DogeCoin, right? Because that's what we want to buy. So we're gonna go straight to converters again. We have our USDT, right? And then we're gonna go into here, we'll go down, and then we'll go look for our DogeCoin. Okay, let's just okay, there is DogeCoin. All right, let's see. Right there. Okay, fuel conversion. So 1 USDT is this, how much, and then is this. Okay, take a bit too long there. Okay, let's refresh again. Let's do quick. Success. So I'm finally have some DogeCoin, right? And I think that's it for this, guys. And we actually able to get our DogeCoin finally. So you stick up with me, guys, and I will absolutely show you how to buy all of these coins, all of these memes, and all of these because you cannot believe that the meme actually end up being a cryptocurrency, which is doing very, very well now, backed by guys like Elon Musk, and yeah, you know, man, that's really cool. So this is how much I have now. So this is what just happened right now. So I have about 239 DogeCoins, and when this actually get to $1, I'll make a lot of money. All right, so let's just get there and wait until it gets to a lot of money, and then we'll make some more, guys. So let's just wait and see how much we're going to have. All right guys, and then I will see you guys on the next one, because this has been done and dusted. So let's just come and see a little bit of our overview, and then we can see that we have some Doge. Right, there it is, Doge, 239 Doges of what is there available in order. See. All right guys, thanks for watching, and then I will see you on the next one. Ciao.